Hello students, good afternoon to all. Welcome to our online class. Myself Shraddha Miss and I will teach you general knowledge. Okay, so today we are going to start our new lesson. Lesson number 5. Know your city. There are many found cities in our India like Mumbai, Kolkata, Jaipur, Delhi, Chennai, Srinagar, Amritsar and many more. So let's see where those cities are famous. Okay. Now start our lesson. First is Mumbai. Mumbai is called an island city, right? The island city of Mumbai was originally a group of 7 islands in Arabian Sea. Mumbai is a group of 7 islands just off the west coast of mainland. British reclaimed the land between the islands too from a larger single island. Name of first 7 island of Mumbai is Mahim, Worli, Parle, Mazgaon, Kolaba, Little Kolaba and Bombay. Mumbai has the highest number of millionaires and billionaires among all cities in India. Mumbai is home to 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites: the Elephanta Caves, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, and the city distinctive ensemble of Victorian and Art Deco buildings. Next city is Hyderabad. Charminar is in Hyderabad. The Charminar, constructed in 1591, is a monument and mosque located in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. The landmark has become known globally as a symbol of Hyderabad and is listed among the most recognized structures in India. Charminar is made up of granite, limestone and marble. As the terrain in and around Hyderabad is mostly granite, so one would guess it to be granite. However, Charminar was built at the center of the city. Charminar was built at the center of the city to commemorate the eradication of plague by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Next city is Jaipur. The Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur. Hawa Mahal is a palace in Jaipur, India, made with the red and pink sandstone, and the palace site on the edge of the city palace, Jaipur. The extends to the Zainana or women's chambers. The structure was built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, the grandson of Maharaja Savai Jai Singh, who was the founder of Jaipur. The name Hawa Mahal means place of winds. Hawa Mahal is known so beautiful its unique five-story exterior is akin to the honeycomb of a beehive. Hawa Mahal's unique attraction is its 953 windows that cover the lace-like walls to allow royal ladies to watch the daily drama in the street below without being noticed. With its 953 small windows called Zaruka, through which the breeze flows in and keeps the place cool. Next city is Delhi. Delhi is situated on the bank of the river Yamuna. New Delhi, the capital of India. It is situated alongside river Yamuna. Delhi already gets water from Beas Sultaj, Gangas and Yamuna rivers, and the Yamuna Canal after exploiting all its groundwater sources. Delhi's old name was Shahjahanabad. This name was given by Mughals in the year 1640. Indraprastha was the name of Delhi in Mahabharata era. According to this epic, this land was entirely a huge mass of forests called Kandavaprastha, which was the burnt down to build the city of Indraprastha. The Yamuna, also known as the Jamuna or Jamna, is the second largest tributary river of the Gangas and the longest tributary in India. From Uttarakhand, the river flows into the state of Himachal Pradesh. River Yamuna originates from Yamunotri Glacier in Himalayas and is the largest tributary of river Gangas in India. Along its entire travelling length of about 1380 km, it passes through many states such as Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana and Delhi. Delhi is situated on the river bank of Yamuna. Now next city is Kolkata. The Victoria Memorial is a large marble building in Kolkata, West Bengal, India, which was built between 1906 and 1921. It is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria. She was Queen Victoria, then Empress of India, and is now a museum and tourist destination under the auspices of the Ministry of Culture. Victoria Memorial was built between 1906 and 1921 to commemorate Queen Victoria's 25 years reign in India. After the Sepoy Mutiny of 1957, the British government gathered the reins of control of the country directly, and in 1876 the British Parliament made Victoria the Empress of India. Her reign ended with her death in 1991. The marble structures features 25 galleries in a huge collection of books and works of art. A statue of Queen Victoria is placed inside the memorial. The museum is an architectural marvel. Built in marble, the building features dome-shaped designs, tall pillars and corner towers. It was built between 1906 and 1921 and was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Monument in 1993 for its cultural importance. Now next city is Mumbai. The Gateway of India is in Mumbai. The Gateway of India is one of India's most unique landmarks situated in the city of Mumbai. The colossal structure was constructed in 1924, located at the tip of Apollo Bandar. The gateway overlooks the Mumbai harbour bordered by the Arabian Sea in the Colaba district. The Gateway of India is located on the waterfront at Apollo Bandar area at the end of Chhatrapati Shivaji Marg in South Mumbai and overlooks the Arabian Sea. The monument has also been referred to as the Taj Mahal of Mumbai and is the city's top tourist attraction. Built in commemoration of King George V and Queen Mary's visit in 1911. The Gateway of India has stood at the port of Mumbai for over 19 years. The arched monument made of yellow basalt stone stands 26 meters high of Mumbai harbour overlooking the Arabian Sea. Next city is Chandigarh. The rock garden is in Chandigarh. The rock garden of Chandigarh is a sculpture garden in Chandigarh, Punjab, India. It is also known as Nag Chand's Rock Garden after its founder, Nag Chand Saini, a government official who started the garden secretarially in his spare time in 1957. Today, it is spread over an area of 40 acres. The Rock Garden of Chandigarh is a sculpture garden in Chandigarh, India. It consists of man-made, interlinked water flows and many other sculptures that have been made of scraps and other kind of waste, bottles, glasses, bangles, tiles, ceramic pots, sinks, electrical waste, broken pipes, etc. Now, next city is Srinagar. The Dal Lake is in Srinagar. Dal is a lake in Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, India. It is an urban lake which is second largest in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It is integral to tourism and recreation in Kashmir and is named the Lake of Flowers, Jewel in the Crown of Kashmir or Srinagar's Jewel. Dal Lake. Dal is lake in Srinagar. Dal Lake is a misnomer as Dal in Kashmiri means lake, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. The urban lake is integral to tourism and recreation in Kashmir and is named the Jewel in Crown of Kashmir or Srinagar's Jewel. These houseboats are made of wood and usually have intricately covered wood paneling. Vegetable suppliers and vendors conduct their usual business in floating vegetable market at the interiors of Dal Lake in Srinagar. Next city, Delhi. The Jama Masjid is in Delhi. The Masjid Ai-Jan Numa, commonly known as the Jama Masjid of Delhi, is one of the largest mosques in India. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan between 1650 and 1656 at the cost of 1 million rupee and was inaugurated by Imam Sayyid Abdul Ghaffur Shah Bukhari from Bukhara, present-day Uzbekistan. The Mughal ruler Shah Jahan constructed the Jama Masjid between 1644 and 1656. The mosque was built by about 5,000 workers. At that time, it cost about 1 million rupee to build it. Jama Masjid is currently the largest mosque in the world and has the capacity to accommodate a whopping 25,000 people in its courtyard and a total of 85,000 people on its premises. Now next city is Chennai. The Marina Beach is in Chennai. Marina Beach is a natural urban beach in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, along the Bay of Bengal. The beach runs from near Fort St. George in the north to Freshshore Estate in the south, a distance of 6 km, making it the longest natural urban beach in the country. Famous as the longest beach in India and the second longest of its kind in the world. Marina Beach is one of the most famous beach holiday destination in the country, named so after the Italian word marina by the then Governor General. The beach has been a popular location in Chennai since 1881. Named so after the Italian word marina by the then Governor General, the beach has been a popular location in Chennai since 1881. Next city is Amritsar, Punjab. The Golden Temple is in Punjab, Amritsar. The Darbar Sahib, meaning exalted court of Harminder Sahib, meaning abode of God, also known as Golden Temple, is a Gurudwara located in the city of Amritsar, Punjab, India. Sir Shri Harminder Sahib played an integral role in the rich history of Punjab, which makes this religious heritage the holiest pilgrim site of the Sikh. The Golden Temple's dome is gilded with 750 kg of pure gold. The structure is decorated inside and out with verses from the Granth Sahib, the Sikh holy book. Next city is Tanjore. Brihadeshwara temple, also called Rajrajeshwaram or Peruvandiyara Kovil, is a Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva, located in south bank of Kaveri river in Tanjore, Tamil Nadu, India. It is one of the largest South Indian temples and an exemplary example of a fully realized Dravidian architecture. This ancient shrine is structured at Tanjore district in Tamil Nadu. Brihadeshwara temple is a revered temple for Hindus, which they bestow to Lord Shiva, the god of destruction. This temple is one of the largest temples of India and one of supreme brilliance of Indian architecture. It is only during noon that the shadow of Gopuram will not fall on ground but on itself. The main reason is the basement of structure, which is big enough to absorb the shadow of Gopuram on its base itself. Next city, Nainital. Nainital is a Himalayan resort town in the Kumaon region of India's Uttarakhand state, formerly a British hill station. It's set around Nainital Lake, a popular boating site with Naina Devi Hindu temple on its north shore. Nainital is famous for the Naini Lake, the amazing view and the pleasant weather. Some of the other places of tourists interested are the mall. You can find restaurants, offices and hotels all located in the mall. In India, the Census Commission defines a metropolitan city as one having a population of over 4 million. Nainital had a population of 9,54,605. So, Nainital is not a metropolitan city. Next city is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is also known as the Garden City. Bangalore, also known as Bengaluru, situated on the southwestern part of Karnataka, is nicknamed as the Garden City of India. There are more names given to Bangalore, as in the Silicon Valley of India and the IT capital of the Science City of India. However, with passing days, greenery in Bangalore is changing, but history remains the same. The fastest growing city of India is also premised as the third greenest city of India. It was called Garden City because it had good amount of trees, green spaces compared to other cities of its size. Bangalore is the third largest city in India. There are many parks where you can enjoy the garden city's greenery, such as Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, Kumon Park, Karippa Park, Memorial, and more. There are many parks where you can enjoy the garden city's greenery, such as Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, Kumon Park, Kariyappa Memorial Park, and many more. So, this is our India's famous city, right? And I will send you homework in our WhatsApp group, okay? So, thank you. Bye bye everyone. Have a nice day.